The automotive world never sits still. Customer expectations are rising, competition is intensifying, and the technology inside today's vehicles is more advanced than ever. But step inside many dealerships and workshops, and the way work gets done is still full of friction. Neptune software is changing that, putting AI agents in the driving seat, orchestrating processes, embedding intelligence, and turning digital interactions into seamless customer experiences. Let's see how. Meet Marcus and his wife. This morning, a knock sensor warning appeared on his dashboard. Our journey begins the moment Marcus calls his dealership. Through an integration with the telephony system, his number is recognized instantly. The service advisor can immediately see who's calling, what vehicle he drives, his service history, and his preferences. No searching, no switching screens. As the advisor logs the issue, Neptune's agentic orchestration begins working in the background, surfacing insights from data and systems across the organization. It's recognized that Marcus's family has recently grown. It knows he's been browsing a larger model online. So instead of simply booking a repair, the system aligns the service appointment with availability of that model as a loan vehicle. Marcus isn't just getting his car fixed, he's getting a full-day experience in the vehicle he's already considering. At the same time, our AI agent evaluates technician performance and highlights that Sally has the highest first-time fix rate for this type of issue. When the booking is confirmed, Marcus receives a personalized service link. From his phone, he can track repair progress, see the expected completion time, and approve additional services if he requires them. It's clear, it's simple, it's reassuring. Behind the scenes, Neptune's orchestration continues. Historical data shows that 70% of knock sensor repairs require a secondary sensor kit. To protect first-time fix performance, the inventory agent checks SAP in real time. It detects that completing this job will drop stock below reorder thresholds, so it automatically places a replenishment order, bundling it into an existing supplier delivery to optimize logistics. Marcus drops off his vehicle, and the technician is notified to move the vehicle into the service bay. Everything Sally needs appears in a single, unified workspace. Required parts, required tools, manufacturer guidance, and service bulletins. As she progresses through the work order, following the structured task list, Marcus's dashboard updates in real time. If she needs specific information, like torque specifications, she simply asks her AI assistant. The answer is delivered instantly, in context. At one point, Sally picks up the secondary sensor kit and notices it's damaged. Instead of calling around or searching manually, she informs her agent. It identifies replacement inventory, directs her to its location, and automatically initiates the return process. Sally isn't buried in administration. She's focused on delivering quality work. Productivity increases, friction disappears. Now this is where service becomes strategy. When Marcus returns to collect his vehicle, the sales advisor is prepared. He knows Marcus's family is growing, he's been browsing a larger model, and he's just spent the day driving one. This isn't a generic upsell, it's contextual, and it's relevant. Service became opportunity. Data became insight. Intent became action. That's the power of trusted, AI-driven orchestration with Neptune software.